mentioned the same-day delivery drones. I wouldn't.
So kids can get toys without me flying around the world, busting my up, defying the laws of physics.
Yeah.
For nothing.